Good morning. So I've got a lot of spools here of filament, and I don't want them just being out in the air. I want them to be able to be dry. So I purchased this vacuum storage bag kit. Comes with 30 bags and a vacuum pump. There's all the information here. Let's see how this works. One-handed here. Yeah. Hold on one second. All right, sorry. I pulled it out of the bag there. So we've got this, it's a fairly thick bag. Let me just set you up here. Sorry for the movements. It's got like double Ziploc style bag here. And just place this in here. And hold on one second, I'll go get the little desiccant package, throw that in there. Make sure it's all zipped up correctly. Flip it around. And this thing's pretty cool. It's got, it's all USB for charging. It's a little pump here. I guess you place it down. It's like, hold on, turn it on. Woo! It's got some suction. So I'm gonna place it down here and make sure it's take it. Yep, there it is. It's starting to suck the air out. Yeah, it's working well. Static. I think that's done pretty good. Let's I hope it's going to stay like that. Yeah, I think that'll work. Yeah, stay tuned to maybe some more reviews and prints. Maybe some just building stuff in the garage when the weather starts to turn better. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.